take it deep, and now you get some of those big shots downfield.
Facing a 2nd and 2 after that last catch, good for 8 yards.
Check. All right, here we go. 319. 319.
And again, it's Mayfield. And Callaway taking it in left side. And now look at this. Big gain, but a fumble.